Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeder, aka the Credit Sensei. If you're coming here from my other channel, Nigel Schroeder, you know that I decided to take more to real estate on my main channel, which has over 15,000 subscribers that I've built in finance and real estate, and now move over to this channel where I'm primarily talking about credit. So if you do not know my previous channel, my main channel, which is just Nigel Schroeder, please make sure that you go check that out as well, so that you can get some more of the content that I'm giving out on real estate, as well as there'll be some credit content over there. Now, what are we all here for today? We're here to talk about funding with PenFed. So I know a lot of the times people talk about how to get funded with Navy Federal. They're talking about Navy Federal Credit Union. And the thing about it is Navy Federal is restricted for a lot of people, and there's a lot of people that can't get in. So I wanted to give out some different alternatives and some different ways that people can get funded still with great financial institutions that are not restricted and that you can get into and get the money out of the bank, get these loans, and do what you need to do with it. So one of the great options on the personal side is going to be Pentagon Federal Union, Federal Credit Union, also known as PenFed. So PenFed is not geographically restricted, and it is also not a restricted membership credit union anymore. You can just sign up, pay a deposit, and open up your account. Once you've done so, you get that account opened up, and now you're able to essentially move throughout their ecosystem. I always recommend that you take a little bit of time before you apply for your first credit product and let that account season, maybe put some money in the account, and just basically let the account build and grow just a little bit and get some age and some time, because most banks now want to see that you have some type of relationship with them, that you're making some type of transaction, or you're holding some amount of money in their bank. Now from there, I always recommend that you get a revolving trade line. So I would personally recommend going and applying for one of their credit cards. I personally have the Power Rewards card. When I got it, it had a $200 sign up bonus, as well as a 0% APR balance transfer opportunity. So I was able to take a balance off of another credit card, transfer it over to PenFed, pay a 0% interest on it, just as well as have my have part of my balance paid down by hitting that sign up bonus. So I definitely recommend checking out PenFed Credit Union for that. But the reason why we're all here today is the most important part to this process is going for funding and building funding with a bank or a financial institution. So what I did with PenFed essentially is I opened the account with PenFed. I let it sit for about a year. I opened up a credit card. After having that credit card open for roughly 6 months, I went back and I was able to apply for a personal loan through PenFed. With getting that personal loan from PenFed, I was able to get approved for about $20,000. And it had a relatively low interest rate compared to other personal loans. So once again, open up your account with your financial institution. Let it sit there for a little while. Let some money flow into it. Doesn't have to be very large. I was making small, like $20 deposits here and there into the account, and making small transactions out of the account to pay little small bills. Let the money build up for a little bit. Went back, applied for a credit card, got approved for the credit card, waited a few months, went back, got approved for the personal loan. So As always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for tuning in. Please don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video out to others who you know may benefit from this information, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more financial opportunities that you'll be able to obtain once you build out that credit profile. Let it season for a little bit, and then you're able to go for the goal. As always, thank you guys for watching. Once again, we'll see you in the next one.